Hey everyone, what's going on?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
This is Sparta!
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Shane, and today we're going to do the introduction video. It's been about 6 months since my last post, and I posted about 12 videos so far, and I just realized that I've never done an introductionary video to kind of explain what my channel is about, who I am, what I do, and what my goal is for this channel. So before we get into it, buy the dip and cue the music. All right, everyone, welcome back after that lovely intro. And so first things first, let's talk about what my goals are for this channel. And I have a personal deep in love for personal finance. I love talking about the real estate market, the stock market, current events, credit cards, loans, financial derivatives, everything that has to do with finance and money and economics, I'm into. And so the goal of my channel is to talk about general news regarding the economy, the market, the stock market, financial derivatives, and kind of go into some of the nitty-gritty stuff, but also kind of give you guys a good overlay of just what's going on. And so right now the market is tanking. The Fed speaks later on today at 2:30. So depending on what Jerome Powell says, it will kind of dictate what's going to happen later on in the week. But regardless of that, that is my main goal for this channel. Whenever I go on TikTok and sometimes on YouTube, but TikTok's worse, I find so many creators giving people horrible advice. It is absolutely insane, some of the things that I hear, or more importantly, people are always selling a product on TikTok, which is low disturbing, because if they sell you a get-rich-quick scheme, it probably doesn't work. And if it actually worked, they would just use their scheme for themselves and they wouldn't be selling you a product. That's one thing I never understood, and I don't really know how people fall for it, other than the human desire to kind of make money, which, we all have that desire and we all have bills to pay. But if someone's selling you a product, it probably doesn't work as good as they said it worked, because they would just use it for themselves and make money. Especially trading strategies, for instance, if they were selling a trading strategy and they were giving out this information at a cost, let's say $100, $500, whatever the amount is, the more people who use that strategy, the less profitable he would be or she would be. People would make money on the exact same functions. And like most things in life, most people who enter a market, the amount of profit in that market goes down for every individual, which is, basic supply and demand in economics. But we're not going to get into that right now in this video. But the TikTok phenomenon really scares me regarding bad personal finance. So that is one reason why I'm creating this channel. And also, I just naturally have a profound passion for it. Awesome, moving on. So regarding my background, right now I'm a real estate agent. Prior to being a real estate agent, I worked as a hiring manager and a product manager in a logistics company. I did that for about 5 years, worked for Amazon, and then worked for another company after that. And now I'm a real estate agent. So the main reason I left my prior job as a product manager was because I wanted more control over my destiny, for lack of better words. I wanted more control over my schedule, what I can do, what I can't do, what I can say, what I cannot say, and more importantly, I kind of want to be able to reap what I sow. I used to work 12-hour days when I worked at Amazon back in the day. And then I kind of segued to my last company, and I originally worked 9, 10, 11-hour days, and then it kind of fluctuated over the years. And I really just want to be able to control what I can do and what I can't do on a daily basis. I want to be able to have my own schedule. But overall, I love real estate. I love the appreciation aspect, the cash flow, talking to clients, finding people their dream home, or finding people a good value to buy an asset that's going to appreciate and give them good cash flow. And so those are kind of all the reasons why I want to be a real estate agent. So if you have a desire to learn about personal finance, maybe learn some tips and tricks on how to improve your life regarding finance, stick around and watch my channel. I should be posting regularly moving forward, and that's my goal. We'll see, fingers crossed. And I hope you guys are having an awesome week. And again, the market's been crazy, so if you want, buy the dip. If not, wait a little bit until after Jerome Powell speaks, because after he speaks, the market should kind of calm down in the volatility and go from there. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by and watching my video. I will see you guys next time. And of course, again, one more time, buy the dip.